In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in the Sora SEO to Blogger theme. This is a fantastic tool for those of you looking to make your blog post more engaging and interactive by adding video content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly integrate videos into your blog posts. So let's dive in. First, to get started, you'll need to access the Blogger dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate towards the Post section. Simply click on Go to Posts and then hit New Post to create your new blog entry. This is where you'll be crafting your article, so make sure to have your content ready to go. Now that you're in the post editor, it's time to add your video. Look for the Insert Video icon, which often resembles a camera or film strip. Clicking on this will open up several options for adding video content. Let's take a closer look at these options. You can choose to upload a video directly from your computer. This is a handy option if you have personal videos stored locally that you'd like to share with your audience. Clicking Upload from Computer will allow you to browse your files and select the video you'd like to use. Alternatively, if you've already uploaded your video to YouTube, you can add it to your blog post by selecting From YouTube. All you'll need to do here is paste the link of your YouTube video into the prompt. This is a great way to leverage content you've already published on other platforms. Another option for uploading videos is by using files from your phone or Google Drive. Click on From Your Phone/Drive and select the file from its current location. This method provides convenience, especially when you're working on the go or utilizing cloud storage. Once your video is inserted into the post, you'll have the flexibility to adjust its size and alignment to better fit the layout of your article. You can move the video to the center, align it left or right depending on your preference, and how you want it to appear aesthetically within your content. Don't forget to add a title, description, and any relevant labels to your post. This information not only helps categorize your content, but also optimizes it for search engines, making it easier for readers to find your blog. Finally, the moment of truth, click Publish to finalize everything. Congratulations, your video is now part of your blog post. To ensure everything looks good, view your post by clicking View Your Post. Your video should now seamlessly appear within the article, adding a dynamic element to your content. And there you have it! You've successfully added a video to your Blogger post using the Sora SEO to Blogger theme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating engaging content for your audience.